Blue Lagoon, and the boat just sank. I never thought I would see these lights. Oh my gosh. I have to try